Can you use a Visa gift card online? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss whether or not we can use a Visa gift card online. So make sure to stick with me till the very end. Now, first of all, very important question. Can you use a Visa gift card online? Because you know you can use it offline. If you're in an offline store, if you swipe your card and do so, then they will accept your Visa card. But on online, is it possible? Well, the answer is absolutely yes. You can also use your Visa gift card online, but wherever Visa is accepted as a payment method. So let us suppose you're trying to shop from Amazon or Shein, Temu, AliExpress. If these e-commerce sites accept Visa as a payment method, not MasterCard, we're talking about Visa card, then you can definitely use your Visa gift card during the checkout process when you're adding a payment method. Just select the Visa card as you normally would and then enter the 16-digit card. So open up, let's say, this little web page from Visa support team. It says, for an online checkout, you'll enter your Visa gift card 16-digit number, expiration date, and CVV in the appropriate form field. So wherever Visa is accepted as a payment method, remember that you should not select gift card. You should not select gift card as a payment method. You have to select Visa as a payment method, and only then you'll be able to enter the code and then redeem it successfully. And then from there, you can use your Visa gift card online. And to simply answer your question, you can definitely use it. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.